Hello, beautiful people. Let's learn how to make this nice hairpiece. It's very quick to make. Forget that the time you're seeing here is about 10 minutes, but that's because it's a tutorial. But when you learn it and know how to make it, it's very quick to make. You can easily make it and wear it out. Let's go to class. So, to make this one, the measurement is just get one ply of Asooke. It will do it. As long as the ply gets up to 70 inches, it will work for you. Then you fold it into two. This is into two. All right, this is one ply of Asooke. See, it is on fold. So this is about 30. This one is not even up to 72 inches, but it will still work. Do you understand? Then what you will do is, when you put it on fold, get to the other side of it, divide it, fold the two edges. You fold here and you fold here, you fold here and you still fold here, just two times folding so that it will be neat. So now I'm done folding the sides. After folding all the edges, what you do is to make pleats. All right, just look at your guide, measure your head or the owner from here, from the back of the neck, the center, the midpoint of the back of your of the head to the front here, where to the midpoint too. So whatever it gives you, add 2 inches to it. Add 2 inches to it and measure it here. So let's measure this one. This one gives 11 inches. All right, this is 11 inches. So I'm now going to sew 13 inches. So I will choose any side I want to start from. Okay, so I'm starting from here. I'm now measuring 13 inches, and 13 inches will stop here. Since I came from here in this one, the other one I will measure from the other side. All right, look at it. The first one I measured from here to here 13. The other one I will measure from here to here 13 inches and pleat it. I hope it makes sense. All right. Since you love watching my video, go ahead and subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you. So you start making your pleat as if you're making base of an autogele. So you make it, and this one ply is going to give you three pleats. Just make sure that between each pleat that there's a reasonable amount of space. Normally in Autogele Base, the space is about 0.25. So if you can get 0.5 between two pleats, that's fine. It will give you a good finish. So now you will see I'm done sewing the 13 inches. All right, from here to here is 13, from here to here is 13, and you see they are coming from different sides. This one is all right, so that when you put it on a dummy, it's going to look like this. This one will be coming from, because here is going to the back and your is coming to the front. Then this one will come from this side. So the two of them will now cross in the middle. Does it make sense what I explained? So it's going to look like this. So when you are sewing it, do well to sew it that one is coming from here, one is coming from here. All right. Now that the two of them are made, the next thing is to attach a Velcro tape here. So I attach it. For the Velcro, I like to attach two. One on top, one under. I use the candle glue and put it in, fix it. Okay, then trim it off, this excess. So it's going to look like this. This one on top here. So for this place, I like to make it double so that in case the person who will wear it needs to adjust it, That's just my preference. You may or may not double it. It's your choice. For us to continue, we'll have to clip it at the back. So I'm going to clip it before I get to the back, before I fix it. You see, it's clipped now. Hear the sound? So I put it in the second one. I put it in the second one, then I pass it from back to front. So then I'll make sure it crosses at the midpoint, meaning front of the. So I'll cross it here. When I cross it, as I'm crossing it, I'm making sure that this is at the center of the back so that it will balance when the owner wears it. So since it's at the center behind, I'll try to get a perfect V in front. When I have gotten my perfect V, I pin it. So you see what I have now. So I pin it, or either you pin or sew it down. So let me just sew it. You can use a sewing machine or your hand needle. Thing will now be to form a rose that will be okay. So you decide where you want to start turning from. Please, I have a video I made on how to make fabric rose. All right, I will put it in the description so that you can see it. So, but you're seeing what I'm doing. I just took one and started wrapping. I'm wrapping it. I'm wrapping it. You see what I have now? So I can pin this one here so that I'll be sure of what I've gotten. One tip I have to give you when making this type of hairpiece is this. You're practically doing is playing with the fabric. So fabric. So twist it the way you think and let's see how it works for you. All right. So you remember that this one I turned it this way. So this one I'm turning it this way. See what I have. Then here that came up, I fold it downward. You see this thing I have now? I'm not really comfortable with it. It's fine on its own. Look at it. It's fine on its own, but I don't really like it. So let me lose it and try something else. Nice. That you like. You must not get what I got. It's just about playing with the fabric. That's it. See. So I think I like this. It's unique, okay? It's just playing with fabric. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove it from the dummy and then use my threaded hand needle and sew and make sure that everything aligns. All right. When you are sewing it, sew it in such a way that the thread does not show. See, there's no hard and fast rule to making this. You can decide to raise it up or see me. So now
You see
it's
the
done.
way,
See
see,
what we
just by
have.
raising it
Because
up,
of the
it
way
changed
it's
the
made,
shape.
it can be one at the middle,
See
it
what
can
I
be
have
one
now.
on
So there's no
either
hard
of the
and fast rule.
sides. Thank you for
Just
watching
something
my video.
nice
Feel
that
free to
when
subscribe.
people see, they will
Subscribe.
admire, and you
Subscribe.
too
You're
will
getting
love it.
value.
That's it.
Subscribe.
Playing with your
Thank you.
fabric.
See you in the next class.